Ma'am, in maths, all the chapters are so interesting.
So interesting, and all are based on stories.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this chapter is the way the world look.
Yes, the name of this chapter
Ma'am,
is
this
The Way
chapter,
the World Look. Yes. Yes, Hare.
this chapter has come in third standard.
Third standard. So now
This
I
is
think
only first
when
chapter.
I ask the question, you will able to
Ma'am,
give
it's
the
not
answer.
come. It's not come.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So let everyone join and then we will discuss about this. What are we going to learn this chapter?
excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes.
This chapter is related to shapes.
I'll let you know. Let everyone join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I will wait 1 or 2 minutes more and then I'll start the class. Shivani, Dhwani, Pritika, turn on your camera. Every day I don't have to tell you, please take a note of it now that you are be will be graded on the basis of this also students ki who is keeping camera off, who is answering in the class, who is attentive in class. So please follow the class rules.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
when school will reopen?
No date, my dear student. Till now we are not aware when the school is going to open. Okay, when we get the news then we will let you know. Moksh Patel, come back to your place. So I will wait 1 more minute and then I'll start the class. Be ready with the open chapter number 5. The way the world looks is page number 52. Everyone open the page number 52. Be ready. Hiya Verma, I request you to turn on your camera, bacha. Every day sit with your camera on. Because I have to
Ma'am,
give
now.
several reminders to many of the students to sit with camera on. Now I will not give any reminders. I will just grade down you. Then you will say then, ma'am, why this is
Ma'am,
happening.
my camera is on only.
52
I'm
page.
not telling to hurry. I'm telling to other students. Those who keep the camera off, they know.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now why don't we have that box one book?
Which book?
Box one notebook.
Square notebook.
Yes.
Now you are in grade 4, bacha. Till grade 3, it is compulsory to write in that way because so the number formation should be clear and proper. Okay. But after grade 3, yes, Hare is showing me something. Hare, you still using the square notebook for the maths?
No, ma'am, I have.
Yes. Yes, page number 52, Vihan Vyas. So now you are in grade 4. Shivani, don't play with these things. Please put it aside.
This is grade 4
Okay,
notebook.
now I'm going to start the class. Please put down, Hare. I start the. Sorry.
Ma'am,
Now I'm going to start the class. Okay. So, children, as you know, the name is given the way the world looks. What do you understand by the name of this chapter? Why the name of this chapter is Way the World Look? What are we going to learn in this chapter? The way the world looks. Yes, Hare. Please raise your virtual and if you know the answer. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, in this chapter we will learn that thing how look upside down and left right,
Yes.
how it look.
How the world looks from different ways, from different sides, from different ways. Yes, Shivani.
this chapter we'll learn about world.
We will learn about world. We will learn about world, but how you look to the world. कैसे आप अपने वर्ल्ड को देखते हो? वर्ल्ड में you see your place.
This was our
World is not only limited with the countries and states. World is yes,
Ma'am,
Dad.
by the helicopter.
Shivani, wait. Yes, Jignesh.
in this chapter, in third, we had first chapter, which was like this only, upside down and down.
Okay. Yes, Shivani. Yes, Shivani, tell me.
Yes. Ma'am, we can see the whole world through the helicopter.
Okay, only the whole world from the helicopter, and how it looks.
Very nice.
Ma'am, it looks very tiny.
Okay, so you can imagine if you are looking the world from the aeroplane or the helicopter, how it looks. If you are looking the world from the train, how it looks. If you are at home and looking to your home, how it looks. If you are looking to the, when you go to the terrace and you look down, how the objects look. Yes or no? So from different views, the objects or the world or the things will look different. Yes or no? So we are going to learn few views of the objects. For example, I want to show you something. What is in my hand?
And
car.
You know why I have this car? Because you all feel excited to learn about this. Yes?
Yes.
I have a car in my hand. This is moving on the road. I am standing on my terrace and I am looking down. So which part only I will able to see? I will able to see it from the top side. So this is called the top view of the car. Wait, Dhare, I will give you a chance to explain. Okay? So I will only able to see the top view of the car. Okay, this is called the top view. Okay, if I am standing just in front of the car, so I am just able to see which view? Front view.
Front view.
Yes, अगर मैं just उसके आगे खड़ी हूँ तो वो मुझे ये पार्ट बिल्कुल क्लियरली दिखेगा फ्रंट व्यू. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I will show you this part to you, this is the back view. This is the back. ये पीछे का साइड है ना. Back और front आपको पता है ना. Opposite of back is front and the opposite of front is back. You know this?
Yes.
So front के just opposite वाला part is the back view. पीछे का part, back. And if I show you this part only, suppose side view, and there how many sides you can see it from? Left and right. There are two sides. Yes or no, students?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if I am showing you only this part of this object, this is called not upper. You will not use word upper. Top view.
Top view.
Top. Which view, Mohammed?
Top.
Top.
Top
view.
Top view. Lakshadola, which view is this?
Ma'am, top view.
And which view is this?
Side view.
No, front view.
Top.
Front view. ये आगे का view है. Front means आगे. Back means पीछे. Front view. Got it?
Yes.
And if I show you this side, so this is called the
Side
view. Side view. Repeat after me. Side view.
Side view.
Front view.
Front view.
Top view.
Top view.
And when I see the opposite of the top is bottom view.
Bottom view.
Bottom view. Which view is this?
Bottom view. Bottom view.
Bottom view. Suppose I am just showing showing you this marker. So which view is this?
Top view.
Top view.
Which view is this?
Bottom view.
Mohammed Mohammed, which view is this? Only Mohammed will give me the answer.
Ma'am, bottom view.
Bottom view. Yes. See, children, I am holding something in my hand. What is in my hand?
Top.
Cup. And which view I am showing you?
Front view.
Who is side view? Raise your hand. Who is saying side view? I heard the side view also. Someone is saying. Raise your hand. Who is saying side view? Those who are saying side view wrong. It's wrong. So lower down your hands now. I am showing you the front view of this. Side view, if I show you like this, then it's a side view. आप कप को होल्ड करना, आप कप को सीधा होल्ड कैसे करते हो? तो आपको कौन सा पार्ट दिखता है? फ्रंट पार्ट. Front part. So it's a front view. Now please draw this in your notebooks, the front view of this. Draw this only the front view. If you are only able to see this part, you will only draw the front view, not the full cup. जो पार्ट आपको दिख रहा है, आप वही ड्रॉ करेंगे. Draw this in your notebook, students, fast, and show me. I'm holding this in my hand. Is this visible to you all properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Draw the front view. Children, you know why are we learning the different views of the objects? हम जैसे जिस चीज को जहां से जिस साइड से देखते हैं हमको वो वैसी ही दिखती है. So by looking at the one view, you cannot identify कि ये object क्या है. हमको चारों देखना पड़ता है. Yes or no?
Ma'am, can you move? Yes, ma'am.
We have to see the object from all the views. Then only we can say, I will pin Muhammad Momin. He has already done. Yes, Muhammad, show me. Yes. Good. Please show me. Arush Mihani is done.
Ma'am, mine.
Arush, please show me. Very good. Yes, other child. Yes, Dhwani. Let me pin you. Show me. Dhwani, look here at me. Yes.
Ma'am, see, I also have that.
Yes. Lakshya, show me. Lakshya, show me.
Ma'am, see. Ma'am, see.
Show me the second one. Yes.
Ma'am, see.
Very good, Arav. Okay, good, good. Now move. We have very good, Arth. Very good. Good, Shivani. Okay. Now I am showing you only this. This is which view?
Ma'am, top.
Ma'am, top.
Top. Because when you see from the top, it will only look, you will able to see only this part of this cup. So draw this top view in your notebooks. Let me check. No, Muhammad, draw top view also. Only the top view, only this. If you only see this top view, how you will draw the figure? Very good, Shivani has done this. Only you will able to see only circle part, right? I hide this. If you are looking the cup from the top, मुझे सिर्फ ये circle ही दिखेगा, nothing else.
Ma'am, see my.
Now today also you take some objects. Very good, Aravapani. Take some objects and see them from the different views. Okay, students. Suppose I have this in my hand. I am showing you only this. If you are looking, you will only able to see this part.
Ma'am,
This
this. I have this.
I am not asking I am not asking.
I am here and I can see. I can see. Ma'am, top view.
Ma'am, top part.
Very good. This is
Front view. Front part, ma'am. Front side. Front side. Front
This
side.
is
Back side, ma'am. Back side.
very good. Now suppose I have this house in my hand and many students are standing in front of around this house, and I told them please start drawing. So those who are standing in front here, they will only draw this face. Those who are standing this side, they will only draw this side. Those who are standing this side, they will only draw this side face. Vedi, you have joined now, bacha? And
Ma'am, first I joined with mobile because I was not able to join with my laptop.
okay, now pay attention. Those who are standing at the back, they will only able to draw the back side. So it means they are looking the same object from the different views. Yes or no, students? In this chapter also, the story is about a Gappu who is a mouse. We will learn it. We will study it. Start from the tomorrow. But I am giving you a short description. That there is a mouse. The name of the mouse is Gappu, and he is on the fan. कई बार चले जाते हैं ना माउसेस, हमारे घर में भी कहाँ पे भी होते हैं. It happens no sometimes students कि वो हमारे लाइट पे चढ़ गए, एसी पे चढ़ गए, and when they look down तो उनको कैसा दिखता है सब नीचे जो है पड़ा हुआ. So the mouse was looking down and there was a table, chair, food on the table because he was searching for the cheese. You know, mouse, Dheer, I request to mute your mic in my class, please.
Ma'am, but I want to ask you something.
Yes, please. Then you take the permission and raise your hand. Unnecessary in between, if you turn on your mic, it create a problem for me, bacha. You raise your hand and you ask, ma'am, I want to ask something. Yes, please tell me. And why you are sitting this side? Why your camera is not proper in front of you? Yes, Dheer. Ask.
Ma'am, I have to draw the full house.
No, I am not telling to draw the house right now. I just show you if some students are standing, so which side they will able to draw. Understood? Can I start now? Deep?
Yes.
And
Yes,
please
ma'am.
stable yourself. अपने आप को stable करो, हिलो डुलो नहीं. एक जगह पे stable करो अपना कैमरा. Dheer, I request you to stable your cameras. Tomorrow I will also teach you like this in a moving way. Will you able to concentrate properly on me?
No, ma'am.
Dheer, I request you to please bacha stable your camera properly. Every day I face the difficulty that your camera moves. Thank you. So in this chapter, there is a mouse. The name of the mouse is Gappu and he is on the fan. ऊपर चला गया फैन पे. अब जो भी नीचे चीजें दिख रहा है वो सब उसको कौन से व्यूज दिखेंगे सब चीजों के?
Ma'am, top view.
टॉप व्यू. सब चीजों का टॉप व्यू. अगर नीचे ग्लास भी रखा है तो सिर्फ वो गोला देख पाएगा ग्लास का. He'll not able to identify कि नीचे क्या है. And he is looking at the plate. प्लेट भी उसको गोल गोल कुछ सर्कल टाइप में दिखेगी, बट ही विल नॉट एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, बिकॉज until and unless we will not able to see the object from all the views, we will not able to identify कि ऑब्जेक्ट है क्या. Yes or no? If I will show you only the back view, will you able to identify how many more wheels this car is having?
No, ma'am.
मैं तो सिर्फ आपको ये दिखा रही हूँ, तो you can only say 2 wheels are there. Will you able to say me that there are total 4 wheels? No. क्योंकि बाकी के तो आपको दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं ना. So in the same picture, because the mouse, you know, mouse like what? Cheese. And he is searching for cheese. So he is searching cheese कहाँ रखी हुई है, and he is looking from the top, and you can see the image which is given on your page number 52 is the image or the picture of top view. Vihan Vyas, please mute yourself. I'm muting right now. but always take care of your microphone. So it is the summary of this topic is means how the way the world looks. कैसे दिखता है, हम जैसा देखते हैं
Ma'am, go to
हमें वो
what?
चीज, यस प्लीज, हमें वो चीज वैसी ही दिखती है, हम जिस चीज को जैसा देखते हैं. और आधे हाफ व्यूज से देख के हम पता नहीं लगा सकते कि विच ऑब्जेक्ट इज दिस. हियर धीर, यस धीर, टेल मी योर क्वेरी. यू हैव रेज्ड योर हैंड and with your camera off. Yes, Dhwani, you also have raised your hand.
Ma'am, why don't we have summary in our textbook?
No, this is the explanation given. Summary we have to take out, that what are we going to learn in this chapter. With the name, it should be clear with the name. The way we have done the chapter number 4, and I have asked you why the name of the chapter is tick, tick, tick. What are we going to learn in this chapter? So that you need to tell me by the identification. Okay? And if you are not clear, then I am there to support you and tell you what are we going to learn. So now I am going to show you some videos. Lower down your hands if you don't have any query. Students, I am going to mute myself so that you can.
Look at this colorful cube. It's three-dimensional as it occupies space. Now we will observe this cube from three different directions. We will look at the top view, the front view, and the right view. Let's get started.
See, children, if I ask one common question from you all, cube. If there is a cube, cube is having all faces in which shape?
Ma'am,
Square shape. Yes. If you here the example is given with the different colors, but if there are no colors, so will you able to identify that which shape, which view you are looking at?
No, ma'am.
No, all the face sides will be in the square. All the views will be in the square. But here are the different colors, so you can easily identify that which is the top view, which is the side view, which is the front view, different views.
How would this cube look if you were viewing it from the top? All we would see is the top face, which is a square. The top view of this cube is a square. Okay, let's come back to the original position. How would the cube look if we view it from the front? We would see just the front face, which is also a square. The front view is also a square. And how would it look if we view it from this side? A square again. Whether we look at it from the top view or the front view or the right view of the cube, we will always see a square. So this involves a bit of imagination, and we should try this out with different figures. Here's another figure, an empty glass. Take a moment and think about how the top view would look.
Circle.
So now children think, if you only see the top view of the glass.
Circle.
Yes, really.
And bottom view is also circle.
Yes, all we would see is the circle. This is the top view. And if the top wasn't covered, we would see the circle of the base as well. And what about the front view? Pause the video and give it a thought.
Cylinder.
This is what we would
Cylinder.
see, a trapezium. Two
Ma'am,
sides
what is a
parallel
trapezium?
and two non-parallel. And the view from the right? Again, it would be a trapezium. No matter which side you look at it from, we will always see a trapezium. So imagining the views was pretty easy here. How about we make it a bit more exciting? I will be placing a few colored cubes on this plane surface to form a figure. Okay, so here it goes. I placed two red cubes here, one yellow cube on top and one blue cube here. This is the solid we will be referring to for this example. We have two red cubes, one yellow cube and a blue one. Now we need to draw the top view, the view from the front and the view from the right. How would the top view look? Pause the video and try to draw it in your notebook. Let's try drawing it without moving the figure. If we look at it from the top, we will have the yellow square at the bottom. We draw a yellow square here. And this red cube will not be seen from the top as the yellow one is covering it. Next to the yellow square, we have the top face of the red cube. So we draw the red square face here. And to the right of the top face of the red cube, we have the top face of the blue cube. So we draw a blue square here. This will be the top view. If we take the camera on top, we can see that our figure is correct. Now let's get back to the original view. Looking at this, I want you to try drawing the view from the front and the view from the right.
So now children, can you tell me when you look from the front view, so how it will look like?
One square.
See only the red block.
Pritika will explain you,
Red block.
Pritika.
Then beside it.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, we can only see the red square and blue square.
not the yellow.
Yes, yellow also.
Okay. Now see when I'll show you.
Okay, let's draw the front view first. The front view is the view from here. At the bottom, we have the front face of this red cube. So we draw a red square here. Imagine you are standing here. Now from the front view, what will we see on the top of the red cube? It will be the
Yellow
front
cube.
face of the yellow cube. So we draw a yellow square on top of the red one. And at the bottom, next to the front face of the red cube, we will see the front face of the blue cube. We draw a blue square here and that completes our front view. Let's rotate the figure to verify our answer. Yes, we are right. And what about the view from the right? In the same way, when we view the figure from the right, we will get a red, yellow and blue face like this. How will the view from the right look? This is the view from the right. Notice that the front view and the right view look the same. Drawing views from different angles simply requires a little bit of imagination, and with enough practice, you will surely excel at it.
So I hope you understood about the different views.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you one more video,
There are
and then please be ready with one object. I'm going to ask from you all that you have to explain me which are the different views of your object.
Ma'am, I have tried it.
Today we shall see
Yes.
how a 3D object looks different from different angles. As we saw, the teacher put a small house model on the table and asked the students to draw the picture of it. But not every student drew the same. But all of them had drawn the same house. So why were they different? Well, the drawings were different because the students were looking at the house from different angles. So the house was looking different to them. Some could only see the front view. And this is the house looked from the front view. While some students could only see the side of the house. And this was one of the side views of the house. The tall students could also see the top of the model house. And this is how the house looked from the top. And one student even drew the 3D model of the house on the paper. As a solid shape has depth, we can see it from different point of view. Like a hut looks like this from the front view, and it looks very different from the side view. And if you were tall enough or you climbed a tree and look down from there, how would the house look? The same house would look entirely different. And this is the way house looked, isn't it? So, different children looked at the house from different angles and hence they drew different drawing of the same house. So while you are drawing a house, you must decide from which viewpoint you are looking at it. Is it top view, front view, or the side view? As the house looks different from different viewpoints. Same way, while we are drawing any solid shape, we must imagine how it looks like in the real world. We can't see all faces at a time, like when we see a dice, at a time we can see maybe one face, two faces, or three faces. Not all the six faces at one time. So we get different view of the same object from different viewpoint. The cuboids are very similar to the cubes and are very common in the real world. Boxes, buildings, houses, buses, and many other things are cuboid in shape. Now, if you want to draw a pencil box, you need to imagine how it looks from different viewpoint. Now, if we see from the top, it looks like a rectangle. Same way, it looks like a rectangle from the bottom too. All of its faces are rectangle. But if we want to draw it properly, we have to show its depth, which is the main difference between a 2D and a 3D shape. It's hard to represent the depth of solid through 2D drawing, but there are many wonderful things to draw, like pyramid, one of the 7 wonders. How would drawing of the pyramid look like? Let's see how the pyramid looks from different angles. As we see, the side faces are triangular. So from the side view, it looks like a triangle. It has a quadrilateral base. So the bottom view of it will look like a square. You know, viewpoint is really important at times. Look, there are 4 boxes kept.
Yes, please listen. See this, it is very good, interesting. Sometimes, no, we are looking it from the different ways. And the arrangement is done in such a way that we are thinking, no, there are only 4 boxes. And if we are looking from the top only, then how many you will able to see? So, it's better to look the objects from all the views. कई बार हमें काउंटिंग करनी होती है, कुछ पार्सल्स आते हैं, कुछ बॉक्सेस आते हैं, we count. And we are just looking from the top only. Okay, 3 boxes hain, but no, exactly there are 4. You will able to see in this video. And if you have some boxes, please arrange and show us, so that not only one, it's not sufficient. 3 to 4 boxes to arrange them and show them from the different, with the different views, so that the answer will be different from, you can see here, and listen properly in the video also.
Three boxes are kept at the base and one on the top of the middle box. From this view, front view, we can easily say that there are 4 boxes. But from this side, it looks like 2 boxes only. And if we have to look from the top, it would look like 3 boxes. Now the calculation of number of boxes is different each time because of different viewpoint. Now let us see another arrangement of few boxes. Can you tell how many boxes are there? Well, it looks like 5 boxes. 1,
After
2,
the video, I will
4
listen.
boxes which we can view easily, and one box must be there below the box number 1. Now this is the side view. From here, it is confirmed that there is a box below the box number 1. So there are 5 boxes. But from this viewpoint, which is a side view, it looks like there are only 3 boxes. From the top view, we may think that there are 4 boxes. So we see the
Ma'am,
viewpoint
ma'am, in
or
between.
the angle at which we view the
Who is
things
saying ma'am?
is very important. So we see
Pragyan?
the idea about different viewpoint of the solid shapes is important for drawing
Why
the
ma'am in
solid
between,
shapes,
bacha?
as the solid shape may look different from different
Ma'am,
angles,
I am saying that
say
I
from the
have
top view,
made
side
an
view, or the
example
front view.
of that.
Yes,
And
okay.
it is
Let it
also
complete first.
important for the visual estimation in the real life. Like we saw in the case of counting the total number of boxes. That is all for today. Bye bye, children.
Ma'am,
So to explain, my dear student, no ma'am in between. Until I'll not say to tell you something, you please stop. I will tell you, give you a time, Pragyan, to explain me. Okay? So that's why you may have heard from your parents also कि अच्छे से count करो, अच्छे से देखो, अच्छे से count करो. Have you heard?
Yes.
Yes. Why they tell you कि ऐसा करो? Because they tell you to look the object, to see the things from all the views. सब तरफ से देखो उसको. Yes or no? अब just now ये have given you one example. जब आप counting में दिक्कत करते हैं, for example, some things are, some boxes are kept. बस आपने एक side से देख लिया, मम्मा 4 है. No, they say count it from all the views. सब तरीके से देखो. हो सकता है एक के नीचे एक छुप गया हो. Yes or no? That is the reason we have to look the objects from all the views, and which is good for us to see the object from all the different top view, bottom view, front view, side view, from all the views. Yes, Pragyan, can you explain us?
Yes, ma'am, like this.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, like from this view, we can see only 2.
Yes.
And then from down we can see only 3. And
Very
then
good.
from the top view we can see only 3.
Only we can only able to see 3. Yes, but exactly if we see from the front view, how many are these? From the front view, Pragyan?
Yes, ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4.
Very good. There are 4. Very good. And understood, students? So it is compulsory to look the objects from all the views so that you can able to identify the correct image. Yes, anyone else want to explain me about the different views of the objects?
Ma'am,
If you have any object in your hand and show me the top view, bottom view, front view.
can
Yes.
I?
We have wants to show me. Yes, we have.
Ma'am, this is one car which is in a very different shape. It has like this.
Okay.
And it looks different.
So if I look from the up, it will look this shape. Yes. Top view.
Ma'am, can I show one?
Wait, Hare.
Ma'am, can I show?
It looks different in every way.
Okay. Yes, Hare.
Show now.
After Hare, then Vedi.
This is in one bus. Ma'am, now can I say? See?
After Hare, Vedi, then Jignesh, and then we will end the class. Yes. So this is which view, Hare? Top view. Okay.
This is right view,
Yeah. Right side view.
and this is
You can call it side view. Yes.
and this is
Back view.
back view,
And which is the bottom view?
bottom view.
Opposite to top. This is bottom view.
Hello, ma'am. Seema.
And Dhwani said bye, ma'am, and left.
Seema,
Ma'am,
Yes. Let Vedi will explain now. Vedi, please explain us.
I have 2 boxes. From the front view, we can see only 3. From the side view, we can also see 3. But from the from
Back.
view, we can also see. But from this view, we can see 4. From the right hand side, left hand
And
side.
if we see from the top,
from the top we can see like
How many we can see?
3.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, see. Ma'am,
next.
see.
Jignesh, and then yes, Jignesh.
These are 4 medals.
Okay.
4 medals. And from top view we can see 3. From front view we can see 4. From side view we can only see 2. And
Okay.
from back view we can see 4.
It's not clearly visible, but okay, you have tried. Okay. Yes, Mohammed Momin is the
Because I'm
last.
doing laptop and it's very zoomed cam.
Yes, no problem. At least you have tried.
See mine.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Mohammed.
it is upside.
Upside, it's a top view.
Yes, ma'am. Top view. Down. Back view.
Bottom view.
Bottom view. And this is front view.
Side view.
Side
This is
view.
not front. Front you when you show me this is side view.
Ma'am, it is rectangle.
Yes, so this is front view.
This is all. It is shaped rectangle.
Yeah.
This and this.
Very good. So thank you, students. We will ask and do the more activities based on this concept. I will send you the worksheet based on today's concept. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good
We will
day.
learn more topics in the coming classes.